Hey, Margie.
Hi, my name is Joaquin and this is my first year in 4-H, and this is my first year raising a pig. Her name is Large Marge. I can see myself joining FFA in the future. I think maybe even this year since I'm in 8th grade now. Raising and caring for my pig has been a really good experience, and I think I want to raise maybe some more animals in FFA since I'm in 8th grade. This is like a really good lesson of responsibility for me. Taking care for and raising an animal. Every day, at least twice a day, we come out and we go in the pen and we get them food and water, and we walk them and we hose them off, we give them a shower, we pet them. So it's a big time commitment to me and everyone in my family who's participating.
My name is Carlos Martin, and my pig's name is Juan Puerco. I'm raising money to continue on my project, and me and my brother will be showing our pigs at the end of the month at the Ramona Fair.
Give him some love.
Whenever they're both eating, he tries to get the food from the other bowl, and he starts pushing. My brother's isn't lazy. Funny sometimes. It's important to spend time with them and show them love, because if you're not going to be doing that, they're not going to want to listen to you when you're walking them. And I want my pig to be calm and to trust me by the end of this month.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I am. I'm nervous because my pig is not really listening when I'm trying to walk it. And so I realize that I have to spend more time with it.
Okay. Is what? Sorry.
Hi, my name is Carlos Martin.
Why are you looking all tough? Smile at me.
Why are you staying so close?
Yeah.
Shh. Smile at me.
Want some?
Smile.
Some of this?
Smile. Don't smile like that. Come on. Oh my god.
That's how the pigs
Come on.
lick face. Their lip is like...
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. One more time.
Alright.
Hi, my name is Carlos Martin.
And I'm Joaquin Martin. And if you could buy our pigs or donate to our project or even share the video, any of that is great and we appreciate it.
Anything helps a lot.
What did you say?
What's the pig deal?